So we're pushing fire in off of this last edge out here on this burn unit, and pushing this little bit of a head down into a drainage, and getting this wrapped up. Been a good day today. Didn't do a whole lot of interior ignition because we have technology working for us these days. So we're building black around a bigger unit that at some point we're going to do a large-scale area ignition in. Now we're putting in some downwind black here for this unit that has red-cockaded woodpecker clusters in it. About 300 acres we're going to do today. Most of the interior ignition is going to be with a drone, and then some burnout around interior woodpecker trees. And the main thing now is just to secure this this downwind line and this open exposed stand here with some receptive fuels across the line. So we're out here in the middle of the burn unit where the RCW clusters are, and we're just stringing some fire out around these trees and then moving on so that when the larger ignition pattern gets going, it'll buffer these trees a little bit. Go ahead, Matt.
How's everything going for you guys?
Good. We're working on a few more trees in here, and we'll just keep bumping along this cluster until we run out of trees.
Copy that. Go ahead, David. Alright, copy that. I'm working my way.
Alright, figure out where we are, where we need to be more particularly.
I hear you. You're north. You're like almost north of us. If you want to come towards our, like south from our location, there's a heavy column of smoke from your smoke and the smoke along the line. If you want to start to going west and then south, you'll be able to cross over a small backing fire. Hi, this is Southeast Virginia.
Yeah, thank you. I have to say that.
So we're pushing some pretty good heat in here. What's happening is some further deeper interior ignition is generating enough heat to pull our fire in, which is good. It sucks the fire edge in off our line really well, but also you can get a little warm in there in places.